it's your boy Debonair. We're back with another review. Well, not a review, we'll get into that later. But we're back. I haven't posted in a while, so Happy New Year. Loving my new setup. As you can see, I decided to kind of try to coordinate with my nigga Bart right here. And I'm loving this painting. I got it from iCanvas. And I just wanted to try something a little bit different because I actually wanted to get that studio feel. At first, I was kind of just opening the camera and recording. I like this setup a lot more. It fits my vibe. Let's get into the video. All right, so here we have it. The Yeezy Boost 350 in the static non-reflective colorway. Now I did want this in the reflective colorway, but I wasn't about to spend $500 because I ran 11, so I wasn't about to spend $500 on StockX for a fucking Yeezy. Like, that's stupid as fuck. Plus, he's been restocking, so I don't know if he's gonna like restock the statics in the reflective colorway. You never know with Kanye. So just roll with these. These are the non-reflectives, and the laces do have a 3M feel to it. And also, why would I buy a reflective shoe when they're not even gonna be like reflective in public? That shit is just for the pictures. And I have foolish shit anyways, so it really doesn't matter. I'm not a big Yeezy Boost fan. But as you can see, it has the translucent sole on the side. So it was like snowy a couple days ago and I wore it out in the snow. But who gives a fuck? I use Jason Mark, so it looks brand new. And my feet were freezing because this is, I guess this is kind of like a mesh material. So if it rains, it's gonna get through the shoe. If it's snowing, you're gonna feel cold. So heads up on that. And they call it the static colorway because it has this kind of staticky fabric to it. Now it doesn't look staticky to me, but I guess if people actually think that it looks like that, that's fine. It has the boost on the bottom. It's just like any other Yeezy except it has the translucent sole. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get right into the motherfucking fits and let me teach y'all motherfuckers how to style Yeezys. All right, so here we have the first look. I decided to pair the Gucci crystal net top with the Odd Future striped t-shirt along with dark colored denim. It looks really fly. Definitely like one of my favorite outfits I've ever put together, so. Alright, so I completed the look with rainbow colored socks and I think they would look really dope with the outfit. And you couldn't really tell that they were rainbow through the translucent, so I decided to roll my jeans up, and the jeans have like an orange lining, so it brings the whole rainbow look together. Alright, so I decided to pair one of my favorite turtlenecks, which is this orange turtleneck with the olive green tracksuit. And this tracksuit is from Boohoo. Definitely one of my favorite tracksuits. Now, I know people don't really wear turtlenecks with tracksuits, but it's the winter time, so tracksuits are really for the fall, and I have to find a way to wear my tracksuits. So obviously with this turtleneck, I'm way more warmer, and I paired the fit with orange colored socks that blend in with my turtleneck. So for the third, aka the final look, I decided to wear the orange turtleneck with a distressed denim jacket with graphics all over it, and I got this denim jacket from Zara. I completed this look with distressed denim, black distressed denim, and the orange neon colored socks, so the outfit ended up coming together perfectly. One thing that I forgot to say is I hate when people wear Yeezys with like wide leg pants, because these are low top shoes, so they aren't gonna look good with like pants that look like this at the bottom. You need skinny jeans, so these are skinny jeans, and they just fit snug at the ankle, so you can see the whole boost. Like, it looks fucking better like this. I hate when people wear Yeezys with like wide leg jeans. Alright, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really put these looks together kind of spontaneously. I worked with what I had in the closet. Yeezys are very versatile, so you can really do anything you want with them. I just don't like how people wear them. I just don't like how they're worn just to bring out an outfit. Like, Yeezys don't make an outfit. Your outfit has to make the Yeezys for the outfit to look right. Yeezys will never make an outfit. They're just too simple. So if you want that extra splash to your outfits, you can use my looks from my videos. Take some, change some, do whatever you want to do. But I know these are heavy fits, heavy on the drip, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out my Instagram too, because I will be posting pictures of me in these outfits. So stay tuned for that. And I will be posting bi-weekly from now on. So also stay tuned for that. And it's your boy Debonair, and made another #1 hit with this video. #1 on the Billboard 100. Thank you very much. And Debonair signing out.